Hi class, welcome back to your distant online class. Today Tuesday, right? 7 July, right? 2020. As today's schedule, in the first session you are going to study about listening to the news, and in the second session you are going to study about the blueprint 6, isn't it? So what did you study about listening to the news yesterday, everyone? So yesterday you have learned about the short sound E, isn't it? Okay, where it is sound E, everyone. And the sound E that you have learned like didn't, okay, like what that? Later, like memory, mean the sound of letter E is short, right? Inside that, they still cover with the lesson with the calculator in the class. So what do you know about the calculator, everyone? And that teacher asks you again and again with that. And how many of you would deserve to or feel favor of using the calculators in the class while doing the exam? What do you think, everyone? Can you give some idea with that? Like if you are in grade 12, okay, and in the class there are so many challenged students, okay, and you are among of that as well. And do you agree that your teacher allow you to use a calculator while doing math exam in the class? If you don't want it to be biased by doing it personally, okay, not depending on the electronic device. So do you agree that calculator will be helpful in the class? Supposed to be yes, but do you think that the calculator will balance your ability in the class? Maybe not sure with that, okay? That's why in our lesson, they still debate whether the student should use a calculator in the class or not, okay? So far, everyone. So now teacher would like you to turn your book on page 29. You will see the summary of that, like use the below word to fill in the blanks. Okay, so have you done already, everyone? Okay, so now teacher would like you to see some vocabulary first before you use those words to complete in the blanks. Okay, so the first word you see like the word depend. Okay, actually, when you follow the phrase always depend on. Okay, depend means rely. Okay, the same like rely. Number 2, complex. If something is complex, means it is difficult to do it. It is too complicated. Okay, have to solve it. What about invent, everyone? Invent means create new thing, right? Debate meaning between the pros and cons. Okay, they negotiate the meaning together or they dispute together. Somehow we call controversial idea. It's based on the topic, like whether the house believe that calculator should use in the class or not. Okay, if you debate the topic, one pros and cons, one stand for should allow to use it and one should be not. So we call debate. Okay, what about can help? Just a phrase. Okay, how about spending? Okay. So again, like depend, complex, invent, debate, can help, and spending. If spend can be spending time, okay, like spend time, spend money, example. So now everyone, without further delay, teacher would like you to check the answer together, and teacher will check along with you as well. So 40 years ago, scientists what? Invented calculators that run on batteries. For the first time, calculators could be used anywhere. Today, devices are much powerful and complex. However, people are still debating about how the calculator should be used in the school. Some experts say shouldn't depend too much on calculators. They say some students don't know how to do simple math with a pencil and paper. Other people think that calculators can help students instead of spending time doing simple math. Students can try more what, everyone? More complex problems. Teachers feel that calculators can help, but they also want their students to understand fundamental math operation as well. Okay, so they still debate with that. So that some teachers just want the student to depend on the fundamental, okay, of using the basics math, not about the calculators. Because of they even complain that some students, even the simple mathematics, they use calculator as well, even the multiply or subtract or adding. So this is the concern that the topic that we talked so far with this unit, everyone. So now teacher would like you to move to the next part about the dialogue on page 30, everyone. So on page 30, in the conversation with the girl and boy, they are going to talk about how they use the calculators, and they are going to buy it as well. Along the way that you read, so the first one, why does the boy like using calculators? Number 2, where is the conversation taking place? Number 3, where is the girl opinion? So are you ready, everyone? So teacher would like you to hear the listening and then you answer the question. Please start, everyone.
Track 18.
Scientific mysteries. Even the world's smartest scientists don't know everything. Here are a handful of scientific observations that experts can't explain yet. A hole in Mars. Observations by robot spacecraft have found a mysterious giant hole in Mars. The planet's entire surface is covered with holes of different sizes. Many of these are caused by volcanoes or by large objects striking the planet. But this hole, near the South Pole, is unusually wide and deep, and scientists are curious about its origin. Whale supergroups. Humpback whales have been coming together into mysterious groups, and no one knows why. Groups of up to 200 whales have recently been found off the southern African coast. This is strange because this species usually prefers to be alone, and groups larger than 20 are rarely seen. It might be due to changes in food supply or to recent increases in the species population. But biologists are still gathering data to solve this mystery. Planet 9. Could there be an unknown planet in our outer solar system? Some scientists believe so. They were watching some icy objects orbiting the Sun at the edge of our solar system, farther away than Neptune. The objects were moving strangely, so according to the researchers, there must be a planet nearby whose force of gravity is affecting the objects. Named Planet 9, the planet is thought to be 2 to 4 times bigger than Earth. But this explanation hasn't been confirmed yet.
Okay, so now everyone, welcome back, and teacher would like you to check the answer together. So the question is that why does the boy like using calculators? How much is it, everyone? When the boy knowing the price of with the calculators, he just want to test how that calculators work, okay? And And now let's answer the question like number 1, that calculator is fun to use. Letter B, calculation is much easier with calculator. C, calculator always give an accurate answer. So what did the boy and the girl talk so far, everyone? So the best answer of that, B, calculation is much easier with calculators. Number 2, where is this conversation taking place? A, at the school. B, at the store. C, a restaurant. Okay, so what is your answer, everyone? So the answer is they are at the store, because they are going to buy it at the store. Okay, if they are at school and they use it, perhaps they don't have like the word like discount over there. Okay, so the right answer is B, at the store. What is the girl opinion, everyone? So 1, the boy should do math without a calculator. B, math is too difficult without a calculator. C, she needs a new cell phone. Why she need a new cell phone, everyone? So what is the answer, everyone? So the right answer is the boy should do math without a calculator. She also give the example that if you use the calculator, you can use it when it along with you, but there is no calculator with you at all or all the time. You have to use your fundamental of using the math by yourself. Not only depend on the calculators. Teachers give you another example of nowadays students, they too much depend on the calculator. Teachers say too much because of sometimes they don't want to practice the brain how to stimulate or how to calculate the number by themselves. They probably just think of like the faster and easier is much more deserved to their option right now. But basically, if you don't know how to use it, this is the problem. But if you use it too much, it's still the problem for you as well. Meaning that it's so fast with the electronic device, but one time when you don't have the battery with that, and your phone lost, and you don't have anything, you don't know about how can you deal with those problems as well. So this is come to the end of our session today, everyone. So see you again in the second session. Goodbye, class.